This video is on how to steam eggs to make hard-boiled eggs. Usually I like to boil my eggs, but I prefer steaming them now because they don't crack under the pressure of boiling water. I just have a regular pan with a little tiny bit of water and my steamer on it, top, eggs in the basket, and a lid. I'm boiling the water in the pan, and the eggs are cooking through steaming. And you're going to want to leave the lid on 6 minutes if you want your eggs soft boiled, that's a little bit runny, and 10 minutes if you want them hard boiled but a little bit soft in the middle, and then completely hard boiled 15 minutes. I have my stove on medium. I put it on high at first to get it to boil, and then I turned it down to medium. And these eggs will not crack, and I had no problem taking the shells off of the eggs the last time that I steamed these eggs. I'm asking you to please subscribe to my YouTube page. I have many videos on recipes, smoothies, and beautiful harp music. I play the harp ensemble music, videos of me in the ensemble, videos of me playing my harp, and holiday music, St. Patrick's Day music with beautiful scenery of mountains from Colorado, USA. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye-bye.